You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
All right, guys, welcome to the show. Jack Scalfani here. It's the Cooking with Jack show. And I got to tell you, on social media, people freaked out over this. They're like, really? You know what this is? It's beef flour. That's right. It's meat turned into beef. Wait, and let me do that again. It's meat turned into flour. I'm still blown away by it. Found out it was a thing, so I went on Amazon and I bought it. Now let's try it out. So today we're going to do a 3 cheese and steak grilled cheese sandwich, carnivore style. Okay? So come on in close. I'll show you the few ingredients and then we'll get it started. All right, before we go down the list, go preheat. It's funny because the recipe I'm using said 200 Celsius, which is like 394 or something. But I did mine at 395. Preheat your oven to 395, then come on back. Let's go over this. Ready? Got the beef flour, cottage cheese, steak, eggs, 1, 2, 3. 3 different cheeses. And I think that's it. Later on, we'll use some butter for the grilled cheese. But for right now, this is the main stuff. All right, so let's first make the bread. Those 3 ingredients, okay? First, the eggs. Hi, what are you doing? You want to be in the video with me? Get down, down, down. Sorry about that. Then the beef flour. Then the cottage cheese. All right. Give that a good mix. I'm sure the weight of the batter will weigh it down. We're going to bake that for 15 minutes. All right, so this is supposed to be our bread. Looks like it did really well. We're going to take it out in a minute. We're going to let it cool. We'll cut it in half, then we'll put our sandwich together. They're all separated. We're going to start with some cheese. That's a great idea. Since it's a grilled cheese, right? Really, it's a grilled steak and cheese. So let's, we'll do one here. Another one there. And a third one there. Let's get that folded a little bit. So, oops, there we go. Then we're going to take some steak, place it in between the cheese to hold it all together. That looks good. Then we're going to top it off with some more cheese. Right like that. Then we're going to lay more cheese down. There we go. All right, so we're going to put it in the pan with butter. And we're going to grill, just like a grilled cheese. Flip it after you do one side. Flip it over to the other. Yeah, 2 minutes on each side. All right, now that you've grilled both sides, put it on a cookie sheet, pop it in the oven for a few minutes, just to make sure everything is finished off. Okay, guys, we're going to try this in a second. Just came out of the oven. We're going to cut that baby in half and give it a bite. but we're going to let it cool down a little bit. Looks amazing. Let's give that a try. I'm going to take a bite right there. Here we go. The beef flour, it worked really good. That tastes just like bread. Unbelievable. Cheesy. Meaty. Bready, if you can even say that. This is so good. If you're doing carnivore, if you're not doing carnivore, low carb, paleo, whatever, this recipe, follow it. Let me know what you think. All right? I love you guys. Time for me to have dinner.